Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the can out share my video. Remember when to subscribe. That was share. No when me notification bell no. Send me the video. Be a better one Musabeka. Be so say be peanut butter soup. Where your protein. What the chop onion begu. Blended onion. Blended pepper. All pepper season. Fish season. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Would the season keep optional on fire the anchor? Salt to taste. Now the took a cry the account. Now the question just so amana simmer. Would the peanut butter begu adia bread room. Now the tomato paste account in so account. No blending in there together. O blend be pena de sinche no akwohwe protein but tem be say de unum. Na wo hwe nam de betete a na we ye den ato nchen. Opiana bata na wo de sinche no be hwe de egum. O wi na de nsuo e de egum nsuo ni den kwandodro a wo ye. Wa garnish with okra and pepper. Na we just squeeze some e de ebebin batem bia wo ho na wa check e de ahwe. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Mpacho send the can I will film my video. Remember when to subscribe, now I share, now I like it. No me notification bell no. Send me the video be better one sabeka. What the fish now this inch now they gum. Esa asaka kana nkwa na yeden aben. Aha aben na watwe na serve. Unya umutu a na ofufu betimi de aka nwadi. Aha aben na watwe na serve. Now this our peanut butter soup. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.